Okay, review tayo for our coming civil service exam. And now, mag-practice po tutulog ko sa inyo then marami pong ganitong lumalabas. At tutulog ko sa inyo kung paano makuha yung sagot na mabilisan. Dahil may comes exam, oras po natin kalaban. Okay, so let's solve and analyze this problem. If 3 times a number is subtracted from 7 times the number, the result is 12. The question here is, what is the number? So ito po yung hinahanap natin. Let n para doon sa number na hinahanap. Okay, pagdating po sa math, mas maganda pag i-analyze po yung problem before answering. Para sigurado po tayo doon sa sagot. Sabi nga dito, if 3 times a number. Okay, so paano natin malagay sa equation yan? Of course, if 3 times a number meaning 3 n yan. Since yung n natin, ito yung number na hinahanap, sabi nga, if 3 times a number, okay, and next is subtracted from 7 times. Take note of this word, subtracted from, meaning dito po sa manggagaling 7 times the number, okay. Dito kanina, if 3 times a number 3n, dito naman, subtracted from 7 times the number, so 7n yan. Okay, 7n. The result is 12. Pag sinabing is, equal sign yan, equal to 12. Okay, so ito na po yung equation natin. Okay, so, isubtract lang po natin 7n minus 3n is equal to 4n. Pwede nyo po yung subtract since magkapareho naman po sila is equal to 12. Okay, para maiwan yung n, divide lang natin by 4. Divide lang natin by 4. Therefore, n is equal to 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And the answer is letter D. Okay, I hope you got this one. At bago natin sasagutan, i-analyze po natin para hindi po tayo magkamali. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless.